Kia ora and welcome to Lesson 6, looking at Group 17 and 18, Symbols of the Elements. So Group 17 and 18 are on the far right of the periodic table, and we're using the IUPAC way of naming the group numbers. So we're going to be looking at those elements highlighted here. First of all, Group 17. So we've got fluorine. The first letter is used F for its symbol. Chlorine, the first and third letter. Bromine, the first two letters of bromine is used for its symbol. And iodine, back to the first letter again. Notice that the first letter of the symbol is always uppercase and the second letter is lowercase. A way to remember these in order is fancy clock broken inside. I first had flour, but a lot of students make FL the symbol for fluorine and it's only F. So if you remember fancy clock, then you'll remember it's just F. Now, time for practice. Can you match the symbol with the name? Pause the video. Here are the answers. And I'm sure you got them all right. Finally, Group 18. So we have helium, neon, and argon. They are the first two letters of the name in each case. So it's HE for helium, NE, and AR for argon. And again, it's capital letter is the first letter, and the second letter is a lowercase letter. I'm a Lord of the Rings fan, so I think of it as he needs Aragorn, and that's the way I remember it. If you're not a Lord of the Rings fan, you can make up your own mnemonic. Time to practice, so pause the video while you match the symbols with the name. Here are the answers. Cl is chlorine, F fluorine, He helium. I'm sure you got them right. Finally, let's practice by classifying them into your groups, because it's really important knowing the group each element is in. You are always given a periodic table in the exams, but it's so much quicker and easier if you already know where they are. It'll really help your chemistry. So pause the video while you do this. Now here are the answers. And I hope the mnemonics helped you put them in the right place. Finally, time for tips. So, as I said, learn which group and element it is in. You'll find it very helpful for things like writing formulae, for redox chemistry, for a number of things. And time for the week joke. So see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.